Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys. In today's video, we're going to be discussing on how you can delete your Grow account permanently guys. So it's really easy and simple, and it is very possible to permanently delete your account, but you have to go through an offline process. Now let me show you some of the requirements, okay? First things first guys, you want to ensure there's no active stock holdings and position, present in your stock trading account, okay? In your demat account basically. So you do not need any stocks here or holdings, otherwise you're not going to be able to close this. So after this guys, you have to fill in a form, okay? So you want to do is you want to go ahead and download the account remove slash close form, which is available at the app and website, both of them. And you just want to fill in the required details like client ID and other necessary details like your name and stuff like that, and the reason why you want to close it. And basically guys, you need to send this to their head office by post or by mail, okay? You want to send this letter in a hard copy. You want to send it to their head office, and what's going to happen is your account will actually be closed in a 10 to 12 business days. So it is a offline process, and they will need documentation from you. So once you provide this, guys, in 10 to 12 business days, they will close your account. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to our channel. Subscribe to Find Your Solution. Turn on those bell notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one.